Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Home Trader Club. In this video, quick analysis on the AUDUSD dollar and why do I find it interesting. Before the charts, big thanks to 8K Broker for supporting this community and my channel. To enjoy all our special offers with 8K Broker, please check out the link below this video in the description. This morning we saw the PPI showing an increase on the monthly numbers. However, on the annual numbers still stayed slightly above the 2%. But the main event was when the Federal Reserve in its speech said that the labor market in US is getting to the levels prior the COVID, or in more balanced conditions. The Federal Reserve also said he believes that inflation is getting lower as we wanted. However, he's not so confident about his predictions that it's actually going to get better soon. So with the PPI published today and the CPI numbers that will be published tomorrow, the market is probably going to provide some very interesting opportunities, and one of them is actually the AUDUSD dollar, and here is what I find on this chart. So there are two views we can discuss here on the long term and the short term. According to the longer term, with these three higher highs, higher lows that were created, and then ABCD correction with a bullish divergence on the MACD and a recent breakout, very easy to assume that these rallies should bounce back and later on continue further. So this is of course very possible longer term scenario here. On a short term though, I believe we are approaching to some key zone, and here is why I think so. On a daily chart, we have a massive area where sellers were in control several times, and this peak they pushed down, then after the buyers the trend flipped and this zone was retested, sellers again in control and again in control. This is zone number one. Zone number two is actually here, all this inner zone, which also create this volume profile based balance area on the weekly chart. As you can see, this is a KTLI indicator that you can see here, that creates for us some very strong zone. And I believe that at the end of this rally, we should start to see some reversal signs and the AUDUSD dollar to start pulling back to this volume profile based balance zone. In simple words, leave the balance area, going to the imbalance and going back to the balance zone to here before, as we saw before, on the longer term, the momentum could switch, flip, and the rally could continue. And if you go to the 4-hour chart and we plot Fibonacci extension right here on these two ongoing legs, we will see that we are now approaching towards a very strong zone of the Fibonacci's, right? Once again, first measure and then the second measure here, right? And this zone aligns together with the area we saw from the daily chart, the supply zone from the daily chart where the sellers show the interest. So if the AUDUSD dollar managed to make this rally towards there, I believe here we will see some bearish divergence complete, pullbacks towards the balance zone taking place before the future rallies will take control again. What would be your thoughts about the AUDUSD dollar? Let us know in the comment section below this video. And I want to invite you to our trading family, the Home Trader Club, to get your access to our comprehensive, complete trading courses, real-time trading education opportunities, access to the community, and so much more. Join our family with the link below this video in the description. Meanwhile, thanks for watching. Best to you and yours. I'll see you soon with more good trading. Bye for now.